Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the exterior and interior of the new Volkswagen ID.2 All. This is an all-electric hatchback that's set to go on sale in 2025. It's based on the same platform as the ID.3, but it's a bit smaller and more affordable. The ID.2 All has a sleek and modern design. It's got a long wheelbase and short overhangs, which gives it a very sporty stance. The front end is dominated by a large grille and swept-back headlights. The sides are smooth and flowing, and the rear end is characterized by a sloping roofline and a full-width LED taillight bar. It can also be customized with a variety of wheel options and exterior trim packages. The ID.2 All's interior is just as stylish as its exterior. The cabin is spacious and airy, with plenty of room for 4 adults. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and the materials used throughout the cabin are high quality. The ID.2 All comes standard with a variety of features, including a heated steering wheel, a panoramic sunroof, and a wireless charging pad. It's also available with a variety of optional features, such as a head-up display, a heated rear bench seat, and a Harman Kardon sound system. The ID.2 All is powered by a single electric motor that produces 201 horsepower and 228 pound-feet of torque. It has a top speed of 99 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.5 seconds. The ID.2 All has an EPA estimated range of 250 miles on a single charge. It can be charged using a variety of methods, including a standard 120-volt outlet, a 240-volt outlet, or a DC fast charger. The ID.2 All is expected to start at around €25,000. The ID.2 All is a great option for anyone looking for an affordable and stylish all-electric hatchback. It's got a sleek design, a spacious interior, and a long range. If you're in the market for an electric car, the ID.2 All is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about the ID.2 All exterior and interior. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.